Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. Today's all about the lips, okay? I have 4 different lip products to try out for you. One from Victoria Beckham Beauty, one from Dior, one from Hermes, and one from Givenchy. I'll be swatching, comparison swatching in a couple of cases, and I'll be trying each one on. Okay, we've got some scents in these products too we're gonna talk about. So if you want to see what colors on my lips and what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before I jump into this video, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day, and it's an exciting one. Brand new category. This is our black twist headband. Simple, chic, and to the point. I love these things, especially with my shorter hair. I think it complements the short hair really well. And the fun part with the twist is you decide where you want your twist, okay? Mine's in the middle right now, but if I want to just, pull it over to the side, I can. Okay, now my twist is on the side, gives you a completely different look. Maybe I'll leave it like this for right now. Let's leave it on the side for a bit, okay? So you can put it on the left, put it on the right, put it in the middle. You decide. There's a barely there seam in the back, and it has a wide back, okay? So you can pull it up or down, however you like. This product is made mostly of viscose, which is wood pulp. We have some cotton in there, and there's also some spandex to stretch, okay? So super excited about this category. They're already off and running. Excited for this one. If you want to check out any of our new twist headbands, visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below, and the link for this color will be there too. So first up, we have the Victoria Beckham Beauty Posh Gloss in Poolside, okay? And here's a swatch of Poolside. Absolutely beautiful. I have 2 of them, okay? And the other one is gonna feature in a separate video. I will swatch it now though. This one is in top down, so you can see the difference in the shades. This is top down, a nice deep brown, and here we have Poolside, okay? Very glossy, very, very beautiful. Now, yesterday was about 80 degrees. Okay, we went down to Lisbon, went to the park, and I wore this one. I did cheat. I did wear this one yesterday, and I really, really enjoyed it. It felt amazing on the lips. I thought it was gonna dry down completely because I thought that's what I read. Didn't dry down completely, but it did do a nice job drying down. It wasn't transferring everywhere. So let's get this on the lips now. Excited to dig into this Victoria Beckham Beauty, Clean Beauty, Posh Gloss in Poolside. Let's go. Such a beautiful formula. Lips look beautiful, juicy, fantastic. Love, love, love the shine on this. I don't think it's too much, not too little. It's just I really like the amount of shine, almost like a glass effect, maybe. Just beautiful. Really, really beautiful, beautiful gloss, which does not surprise me because Victoria Beckham Beauty to me is a completely underrated brand. I adore everything I have from them, and I've been rocking with them since their first launch. And these are just another beautiful addition. Fabulous, wonderful, beautiful color on me. Almost a nudie. Could wear it with it, easily wear this with a lip liner, but I wouldn't. I really like this shade. So this is the Victoria Beckham Poolside Posh Gloss, and we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so I've gone ahead and moved the twist to the front. Kind of reshapes your face. Interesting, okay? I love it in the front. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to a Dior product, okay? Dior with their fancy new packaging that they released, a couple of months ago, that you can customize with different sleeves or whatever. Not my thing. I don't really love this design, but I don't love any of the designs. I'm beyond the age group that they're trying to attract with these mix and match thingies. Here we have the CD, Christian Dior, on the lipstick. Excited to try this out, but maybe I should tell you the name of it first, okay? All right, we have the Dior Addict 918 in Dior Bar. I wanted this shade as soon as I saw it. There's another pink one that I want. Okay, here we have Dior Bar, a brownie color. There are definitely some flecks here, maybe silver to give it an interesting little shiny shift. I'm excited to try this on, guys. Let's get this on. I'm excited. Okay, so this is beautiful. And first of all, the smell is giving me bubblegum. I can't even, it's fun. It's playful. The smell is, this is beautiful on, oof, Dior. This is a beautiful formula. Oh man, I'm really enjoying this one, guys. It's like a lipstick gloss, right? That's what the finish is giving me, a really beautiful glossy finish, but not, the color's nice. You get a nice color payoff, but it's not too much. I'm really enjoying it. I don't know what else to say. Very, very pretty. I'm definitely gonna go back for the pink one I have my eye on. I'm really enjoying this formula. Super lightweight, super glossy, perfect for spring and summer. And even though this is a brown color, because it's more sheer, it works. I'll happily wear this in the summer and not feel like, oh, this is a bit much. This is a bit dark for the moment. It's not. It's beautiful though. That silver, the silver flecks, super fine silver flecks, nothing you will feel. Give it that nice shine. Loving it. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next up we have the beautiful Rose Perfecto Liquid Balm from Givenchy. Of course, the packaging is what drew me in. Why even beat around the bush? Absolutely, the swirl was too pretty for me. And I'm still gonna get my black pink one that I wanna try. The color, the shade actually looks really pretty. This one and the Dior one, 25% off. Again, I'm here in Europe, so we have a lot of options to get deals on these beauty releases. So these were 25% off, which is why they always look a little bit prettier when they're 25% off. That's typically the standard, I find. No less than, it's usually 25, 20 maybe. Beautiful rose color. This one is 210, okay? 210, nice shine going on. A nice bit of color. Let's get this on the lips. Okay, so this one has a scent too. I don't know how to describe it. It smells almost floral, like a fresh floral thing. There's also a bit of tingling going on in the lips. So we have that in the formula, I hope, because then that would be a problem if I was the only one experiencing the sensation. So there's a little bit of tingling, does not bother me, it never does. So some kind of mint probably in there. Very nice formula. Not tacky. It was thicker than the Posh Gloss. So I was like, you know, the thicker it gets, you have to wonder if it's gonna be tacky on the lips. Not. It's settling in really, really nicely. Very pretty shade of pink. It's a nude on me. Very, very nice. I will absolutely get the black one. I'm excited to try that shade on me. It's a shade I love as well. So this is like a dusty rose. Here for it. Very pretty. The mintiness will dissipate quickly. Very nice, Givenchy. And as for the packaging, I love it. I love Givenchy lipstick packaging anyway. So happy with the packaging. Fun idea. Okay, so let's finish this off with a new Hermesistable lip oil. This one is Corail Bigarade. Okay, it's the coral color one. Now, I wore the other one in my last luxury this or that video. Here is the swatch of the Corail that we're about to try on. And I'm going to swatch the cola, rose cola one for you. I talked about it in the last video. Not a fan of the Hermesistable name, seems silly to me, but I'm also, you know, I can recognize when I'm not their target audience. It felt like a play on a younger audience, but what I love about it, so this is rose cola, and then this is the Corail one, okay? Two very different colors, very, very pretty. As per usual, I will have swatches on my Instagram page, so if you want to see those swatches, you can come follow me or stop by my page. So the brilliance for me was in giving each shade its own scent, even if I didn't love the name, okay? Christina Nagel, the perfumer for Hermes, is behind the scents from these makeup products. So this one has sandalwood and arnica, and it's combined with a solar note of the Sevilla orange. It says Seville orange. I've never called Seville in my life, so I'm not gonna start now. Of a Sevilla orange, okay? And it smells, there's a very familiar smell there, like from childhood or something. Okay, I'm not sure, but I do want to get this color on my lips, so let's go. Such a fan of these products. I love how it makes my lips look super juicy, nice little gloss. They look really nice on, feel amazing on the lips. That smell kind of permeates, but not in an overwhelming way. I think it's very pleasant, and when you're outside, when a breeze comes by, it'll just give you a nice little whiff of whichever one you're wearing. I'm so happy with this. I mean, it just feels good. And the smell is a big deal for me. You're supposed to have an overall like sensorial experience with this one, and the feel, the smell, it's giving me warm weather, and I like it. I like it a lot. I love both of them actually. There's a brighter one that I want to get. I wanted to try these first and then see, but very, very pretty. A really nice lip oil. It feels nourishing on the lips. It's got some good stuff in there. Happy with it, happy with it. Okay guys, and that's it for me. A fairly short one for me, okay? I have tried on all four. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you have any of these products, which shades you got. What are you loving? Are you not liking any of them? Let me know. Do you like the idea of the scents in the Hermesistable lip oils? The other ones had a scent too. The Dior had a scent, and the Givenchy had a scent. So let me know if scents in your lip products something you're okay with or you're not. And that's it, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I love it and appreciate it when you do. And if you want to check out any of our brand new twist headbands, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wrap, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and all our other hair accessories, visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.